Oopsie Pepsi, oops. Ooh, Philips. All-in-one trimmer.
You like it?
Jag känner så happy. You go both for face and hair. 9 tools inside. Self-sharpening blades. That's perfect. And you don't need to buy. Even after 3 days of use. You go storage punch. Känner så happy. Let's open här again. Now my hair finally will be nice. Oopsie Pepsi. It's quality seal here. Det här är vad det är. Oopsie Pepsi. Look at that. Oh, it's like zipper bags. There will be protection and everything. Instruction manuals. Warranty card. More manuals. Certificate something. Okay, let's check.
Oh,
Shincha quality. Look at that.
nice color. You like it? It's gray,
Yeah.
silver gray.
Ooh. Oh, very powerful is it? Very happy. I will check how to open later. Oh, we got nose trimmer. Very cool. Very good quality, everything. Charging UK style.
Ah, that's the little matter. I buy it here, so it's UK charger. Maybe it's comparable with your Philips other trimmer.
Or if it's not brown. I don't know. And here we have
Yours is Philips.
you go hair, you go maybe beard, like different. Maybe they say the number. Look at that. It's like infinity. Look at that. And then also a brush.
Oh,
Cleaning brush.
이거 행복해?
Hey, 진짜 행복해. Oh, 진짜 happy. It's a good quality, much better than
Why smell it? Industrial smell?
industry. Much better than the one I have. Made in Indonesia. Here is like a little bit plastic. Shincha good razor. And very light. You check. Very happy.
Oh yeah, good quality.
I think this silver is for beard, maybe. They don't say a number, so maybe they do. Because we don't know how much they
Yeah. Shave later.
ABS 2. ABS 2.
Nice
Very nice.
compared to your old one. Not painful.
No, very powerful. A little bit ticklish. Ooh. Very good.
그 바디 헤어 괜찮아?